the red-nosed reindeer.
Of all the Christmas songs that pops in your head, is Rudolph?
Yeah, because,
Oh.
you know, she's guiding the sleigh tonight.
Oh, she looks thrilled.
Oh, she
Yeah.
likes Santa.
Sure she does.
Yes. We just want to pop on here really quickly and wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and most importantly, heavy emphasis on Happy New Year.
Yes. New Year. Goodbye 2020, hello 2021.
Yes. I'm wishing a sense of normalcy for everyone, whatever that looks like for you. And for us, that means more traveling, more adventures, and we will be heading in search of warmer weather just after Christmas. We just want to say thank you for following along with us and joining us. It really does feel like you're part of our family. We'll be taking you to new places soon. Cheers to new adventures in 2021.
Carry on.
Carry on.